Greens one and all. Welcome to Cast Iron Wednesday. Gonna be doing the regional burger, doing the California avocado burger. I'm not sure I've done this one before. Again, I'm sensing a little deja vu, but to be honest, I'm trying to use up my buns. I've got 4 left, and I don't like freezing buns. I feel like it just wrecks the texture, and I just don't think they're nearly as good as they were when they were fresh. So clearly, you know what today's lunch is gonna be for today and tomorrow. It's gonna be the bun. Gonna be a burger. So I've got my 80-20 ground beef. Got some Swiss cheese. And then I just had to buy an avocado, which I got right here. I already got some bacon frying, so let's get to it. Frying up some bacon. I'm using a non-cast iron pan. I actually got this from Bed Bath & Beyond yesterday because I was looking to replace my other skillet. I'm using some supportive cookware because it's doing this. See that? I can't tell if it's rust or what. But I'm just going to throw the whole thing out. Alright, I can prep my meat while I wait. This is 1 pound. I'm going to use half. I'm just going to eyeball it. Of course, I always season my ground beef. A little bit of sloppy mama, a little garlic, salt, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Alright, cast iron's on, warming up. Gonna get my buns on. Get these guys in the oven, under the broiler, toast them up. Gotta watch them like a hawk. Alright, get my burger patty ready. Just want to make sure they're around the same size. When I really dug, the last time I did it, I just used the plate and smashed them, and they seem pretty uniformed and pretty close to the same size. So. Those look good. I think my pan is probably hot enough. Where's my paper towel? What I want to make sure I do is just add just a little bit. It doesn't need a whole lot, just a little bit, and use a paper towel and move it around a little bit. There we go. Alright. Buns are nice. Alright. Go ahead and give these guys a flip. Sweet. I got my Swiss cheese right here. We got 1 tomato here. There we go. We're gonna go with I'm going to go with 2 slices of Swiss cheese today, just because I'm feeling like it. Go ahead and kill the heat, because there's enough leftover heat in that pan to melt the cheese. Some bacon. Normally I like it hanging off the burger, but it's alright. Just have to make do today. I'm going to dope the bun. Basically means get the bun ready. Got some Duke's mayonnaise. Finally used up the rest of my other mayo, so I was able to make the switch back. A little bit of Duke's in the bottom. The mayo adds a layer of protection so it doesn't soak into the bread. Just because I like it, add some with the yellow mustard. You can use your spoon to spread it out. Alright, I think those burgers are looking good. Get those on the bun, like so. Oh, forgot to kill my oven. All wasting power by not turning the oven off. Got tomato slices on here. And then it normally calls for lettuce, but I didn't want to buy lettuce and have it sitting around, so I just opted not to get it. The only thing I didn't get. I mean, I like lettuce in my burgers. It's just I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to eat it quick enough this week to justify getting any. Then I'd have lettuce sitting around going to waste. So I could have used that spoon if I hadn't chucked it in the bowl that I mixed the ground beef in. It's alright, just make do. And you go with some nice fresh avocado. Sometimes you gotta get your hands a little bit dirty to get it on there, but hey, I like avocado anyway, so it's worth it. And then the last little bit here, kind of an optional call, but I like ketchup on my burger. I know some people don't, but it's alright. Got a little bit much. And there we go, all done. We'll sit down and eat. One more look. California avocado burger. Now if you like, you could put onions on yours. I don't like onions, so I opted to leave them off because I didn't want to ruin it. Alrighty. Give these guys a taste. Oh man. I sometimes feel like just burgers are just the perfect food. I mean, that and pizza. Man, the combination of flavors, the ground beef, the Swiss cheese, the crispy bacon, tomatoes and avocado, fantastic. I'm gonna eat this and literally close the video and like tear out of here to go to work. So catch you guys in a few. Alrighty, well, clean plate of course. Little post-workout meal. I went to the gym today, so now I gotta get my ass in gear and go to work. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.